W with M-R-M-I-K-E.
Hey everybody, it's Mr. Mike. And today, we're going to draw a flying pig. Have you ever seen a pig fly? I've never seen a pig fly. But if they had wings, it might look like this. Now to draw this flying pig, you only need 4 basic lines and shapes. An arc, an oval, a line, and a curlicue. At least I think it's called a curlicue. It goes like that. We're going to add that for the tail. Let's see how this all fits together. Alright everybody, let's draw an oval for the nose right here. Right there. So now we got a nose. And then we knows where the rest of our pig's gonna be, because it naturally will have to be over here. So let's add in 2 small ovals for the nostrils so the piggy can breathe. Okay, color those nostrils in. And next we're gonna do 2 more ovals for the eyes. We'll do 1 here and 1 here. And now look, our piggy can see. Okay, so now we're going to add in a line here. Stop. And then we're going to add an arc that's going to go along here and join with the nose. So start here, come back, and then up. And then we're going to make another arc go whoosh like this. And you can color that shape in, because that'll be the mouth. Looks like my marker is starting to dry out. I hope I can get through this drawing with you without having to get another marker. Okay, next we're going to add in another arc that's going to be the top of the head. So it will go from, start about here, and then we're going to have it come down around to the nose, just like that. Now we're going to leave a gap right here for the ear, but we're going to start another arc right there. And we're going to have that come down around to about, let's say here. And that will be where the piggy butt is. Okay, ready? So let's start here. And then join it to that. Okay, and you can smooth out your arc if it's got a little, mine got a little straight there in the middle. So I'm going to smooth it out so it's nice and curved. A very curvy, round piggy. There we go. And now we're going to add in a line right here. Let's do a line. Line, and then another line down, and then we're going to do another line here for the inside of the ear, and another line down. Okay, and then we're going to do the same thing over here. Up, and then down, and then we'll do the inside of the ear, up, and then down. Now if you need to pause this video at any point to catch up, feel free to pause it, catch up, and then join us back, okay? Alright, now we're going to do the bottom, the belly. So we're going to do a little arc here. Okay, and then we're going to have a gap again. That'll be where the leg comes out. So right here we're going to have a gap. We're going to start there, and we're going to leave a gap over here for the other leg. And now we're going to have an arc go, and this is the bottom, this is the belly. So I'm going to turn my paper to make this easier for me to draw. And I'm going to connect these 2 dots with an arc. See? Nice and simple. So we have our 2 gaps here. Alright, now we're going to add in the legs. So let's take a line that goes out like this. And then we're going to have an arc. And then another line comes in. And then we're going to do a line that comes down here as an arc. And then a line that comes back up. And then we're going to have a line that comes out as an arc. And then a line that comes back up. And now, the last one, we're going to do another arm here. Out. Then has an arc. And then joins back in. I guess these are legs, they're not arms. I don't know, I'm calling them arms. Definitely not arms. Well, maybe this piggy, because the piggy flies, maybe the pig has 2 legs and arms and walks around. Because this is a made-up piggy. Alright, next we're going to add that curly cue for the tail. So we're going to start here. It's right at the butt, the piggy butt. Alright, and we're going to start here and we're going to go up and whoop, just like that. You just do a little loop and out. And then you can have an arc join that right there to make it look like the tail is a little thick. And it comes around like that. So there's our piggy tail. And now we're going to add in the wings. So to do the wings, we're going to have an arc come up like this. And we'll do another arc at the top. A little line come down. And then we'll make a little arc here for the feather. And then we'll have another arc come in toward the bottom. And then we'll do the same thing over here. We're going to have an arc come out. Another arc at the top. Curve it around. A line come in. We'll have another arc come down for the feather. And then we'll have an arc come down to the bottom. Now we have our basic shape of the piggy. We're gonna need lines for the hoofs. The piggy hoof. So here we go. We're going to add in a line here, a line here, a line here, and then one more whoop, right here. Okay, now we're going to add some arcs over here to make it look like our piggy jumped up in the air and is flying. You ready? So we're just going to add an arc that comes from here. And then another one that comes here, and then one more that comes here. And I think I am going to do a thick black outline around the whole piggy. Ready? Let's start here. We're going to go up and around. And you do not have to do this thick, excuse me. You do not have to draw this thick black outline. If you're happy with your drawing, you can stop. And I'll just continue here, and you can keep watching. And then we can watch till the end and see what color choices I made. What color choices are you going to make? What color will your piggy be? It can be any color you want, because you are the artist. I don't know what color I'm going to make my piggy. We'll have to see. You'll have to follow along all the way to the end to see what that image looks like. And then if you want, you can color yours to look like mine, or like I said, you can make up whatever color you want. You can even put a pattern on your piggy. Maybe you have a plaid piggy, or maybe it's a polka dotted piggy, or stripes. Or maybe your piggy is wearing pants. I don't know. It's your drawing. I'm just gonna fix this little part of the nose here. And I think I am all done. Oops. There we go. Look at our flying piggy, everyone! Great job following along. Now, if you watch to the end, you can see what color choices I made. And I'm curious, what color choices are you going to make? If you enjoyed drawing along with me today, be sure to subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for following. I'll see you next time. Bye!
For this and other episodes, drawing lessons, activities, and books, please visit drawwithmrmike.com. And don't forget to subscribe to the Draw with Mr. Mike channel on YouTube, Vimeo, and Facebook.
Draw with Mr. Mike. Let's draw with Mr. Mike. D-R-A-W with M-R-M-I-K-E.